Hi, Kevin Henry of Dental Economics and Dental Assisting Digest, here today in St. Louis, Missouri, and we are at the Delta Dental Health Theater and at Laclede's Landing. And I'm here with Shannon Woodcock, and she's the executive director of the theater. And we actually just sat through a really neat presentation for some 3- and 4-year-olds.
Yes.
What's the main message that you try to get out to kids who come down here to this theater?
What we're really trying to get across to children is that they brush and floss their teeth twice a day, they visit the dentist is their friend, and that they also eat healthy foods and limit sugary snacks. The big thing to teach them is, it goes hand in hand for overall health. If you're going to tell a child to brush and floss their teeth, but then let them sit on a couch drinking soda and eating sugary snacks all day, you've kind of defeated the purpose of the education. So we decided to tackle the problem by educating them on both aspects.
And this is really neat. I mean, you're at Laclede's Landing, so you're at a well-known place in St. Louis, and you walk in, and this is a really cool thing. Tell me a little bit about how this started and how it's funded.
Sure. In 1977, a group of dentists got together, and they formed what you see here, the Delta Dental Health Theater. There was a dentist in Illinois who actually had this original set of teeth in his practice, and he used it as an educational tool, and he realized that the cost of upkeep was just too great for him as an individual dentist, and he sold it to our group that created the theater. So we've, I believe the auxiliary also helped start, the auxiliary of the Greater St. Louis Dental Society also helped start the theater as well.
Okay.
We actually assumed their name at one point, and then through the years we've created partnerships. We're partnered with Delta Dental of Missouri. They help fund some aspects, including marketing and PR, and also staff salaries. The rest of our operations and programs is funded by local dentists, local pediatricians, community members, and other local partners.
And you were telling me before that really this is the only kind of theater that this is, as far as you know, in the country.
To our knowledge, we are the only one.
Now, does that make it a little, kind of puts a heavy burden on you guys, I guess, to really educate them and really get the word out that A, this is here, and B,
Right.
The message that you have?
Yes, we have noticed that because we are so small, a lot of people even here in St. Louis haven't quite heard about us yet. And we've been here for 30 years. They see us when they're 3, 4, and 5-year-olds, and then now we're on our second generation. So we have parents who are now in their 30s and 40s saying, wait a minute, you're that place with the big teeth. I saw you in kindergarten. And they're bringing their kids to us. So it's really exciting to see that, generational balance of parents bringing their kids to something that they saw when they were a kid. But yes, we also we're on a list of unique things to see around the country.
This is unique.
And we have random people stop in from all over the country who said, we're here to see the big teeth. We've already seen the big ketchup bottle in Collinsville, and now we're coming to see the big teeth. So it's really cool.
Well, and you'll see the big teeth in just a minute. Actually, we're standing on the tongue of the stage, so we'll take you on a tour of this in just a minute. What can, you talked a minute about dentists volunteering. What are some things that people can do to either support this, or if they even wanted to get something like this started in their own community, what would you suggest?
Some things as far as supporting this current location, obviously good old donations are fantastic.
Sure.
We are always looking for volunteers as well. We're piloting a new program called Story Time with the Dentist. And this February we have special shows every Saturday, and at 10:30 on those Saturdays we're going to have a dentist reading a story from our Healthy Library, and afterwards he'll be available for questions and answers and that type of thing, which is really cool.
That's very cool.
To start this in other areas, first of all, anybody can call here, and I would be more than happy to give them advice on what's been done here and what things to look for. But really what they need to do first is a needs analysis of their community. Is this a need in their general area? Where would be the best place to create a location? Obviously, I feel that oral health education is needed everywhere.
Sure, absolutely.
And even if it's, a local dentist going to classrooms on his spare time, or dental hygienist going to classrooms on their spare times, it's easy to get this information out, and it's very important since tooth decay is 100% preventable as long as you stick to the routines.
And you've told me about kids who come in here and you've seen that this is where they've gotten their first toothbrush that they can actually have for their own. So I mean, obviously it is a great need out there.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And give everybody the website where they can get more information and through how they can contact you as well.
Sure. You can call us at 314-241-7391, or our website is www.ddhtstl.org. So it stands for Delta Dental Health Theater, St. Louis.org.
Great. Shannon, thanks for the time. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank